Doon kayo sa loob, dali.
Craftsmanship.
Go to daddy.
The
Filipino organization.
originality.
Looks like they have a rotating globe up there.
I think it's some guy inside turning around.
Doon, doon kayo sa likod loob.
Or it just stopped.
Bumbo. Doon.
Maybe it just stopped.
And we are the Philippines flag along with the United States flag.
There's some hot people there. They get dressed up. Coats and ties.
Doon ka.
Looks like they have appointed a governor and a president.
Yung float yan. Ayun
There's
o.
the mayor.
There's the globe is going around.
See?
There they cranked it up.
Oo, sandali. Kinukunan natin si Bumbo at saka si John. Oo, tingnan mo dyan. Doon ka sa loob. Si Daddy. Ayun yung float ng July 4. Diba? Ayun na, ayun, ayun. Nasaan na si Bumbo? Ayun, ayun, si Bumbo. Ayun, ah. Ay, si Ate Gio.
Jeanette, go ahead.
Ay, si Bumbo.
Tell me about it. Actually, it's about the youth, about children, how they're being nurtured to become good leaders of
Nakakainis
tomorrow.
naman.
Yes. Okay, how long did it take you to put this together? It's very elaborate. It's really a week. Yes.
And what is it made out of?
Indigenous materials like tangan-tangan, the
Yeah, Ate Ching's
all are indigenous materials.
Thank you very much. It's beautiful. Good luck in the competition. You're going to be judged up there.
Doon eh.
And Happy Liberation Day.
Happy Liberation Day to everyone.
Wala
Thank you very
na,
much.
tapos na.
Back to you, Bob and Liz.
Thank you, Jeanette.